Hey y'all, so today I got a video showing you how to set up your shield. So I am using a Q9 mini keyboard and I'm going to be using the shield remote. So we're just going to get into it. So we're going to go down here to settings. We're going to go down here to security and restrictions. And we're going to turn on unknown sources. We're going to click OK. And we're going to turn off verify apps. And I'm going to turn off this passwords. And then go back out. We're going to go up here to about and go down to build. We're going to click this until you see you are now a developer. And what this does is give you another option under your settings, which is called developer options. We're going to go into this and go down here to Windows animation scale. We're going to click that and we're going to turn it off. We're going to turn this one off, transition, and turn this one off. Now all that did was it kind of speeds up your shield a little. You might not really notice the difference. You probably should, but you might not notice. You have to do a restart in order for it to see it sometimes. So what we're gonna do is go back out, and we're gonna go and we're gonna try to get Chrome. Try to get us a browser. So I'm gonna hit the mic on the remote. Launch Chrome. So that comes up and we're just gonna hit the free Play Store and we're gonna click install here. Now by default the Chrome doesn't show up on your home screen. So we're gonna download a TV app repo, which will make shortcuts for apps that don't install on your home screen. So once this installed, we'll go to Google Play. So we're gonna go to Google. Exit back out of that, and we're gonna go up here to Google Play, and we'll go up here. You know what? Let's go back out. For those of you that are using a keyboard, I really like if you're using a keyboard, you don't need the on-screen keyboard. So we're gonna go back in here to settings. We're gonna go down here to keyboard, and you have, what is this? 6 different keyboards, and they're for different languages or whatnot. But like I have a video on how to get rid of your on-screen keyboard, but I don't know if anybody else is having issues. Like I have issues sometimes. It reverts back to lean back, which is your default, right? So it's annoying. So I figured out another way to get rid of your keyboard. So what we're gonna do is, you got 6 keyboards we need to get rid of, or actually gonna be 7, including lean back. So we're gonna go back out and we're gonna go up here to apps, and we're gonna go down until we see are we in? Oh yeah, we already in it. There. No. Okay, see system apps. Okay, so starting from there, we're gonna go down. So you got the Russian keyboard here. We're gonna click it and hit disable. Click that. So that's 1. Should have wrote them down, but I'll leave a list of them in the description. Okay, there go 1, and we're disabling them. So like if you ever need them again, you know, for whatever reason, you can come back in here and enable them. It's just that simple. So this will make the fourth one right here. I'm gonna disable it. And you got this one, that's 5. Go back, and then we got one more. This one right here. No, we still got to do lean back, and then click this one. So it's somewhat, yeah, I'm thinking it's in, there's lean back right there. And we're gonna click disable and click OK. So we're gonna go back out, and that is 7 total that you need to disable. Now, don't do that if you do not have a physical keyboard, because you'll be messed up. Okay, so we're gonna go back to Google Play, go up here to search. I'm gonna go over. See, now it's telling you that you can use the keyboard on your mobile device. Now you could do that, but that defeats my purpose. But so we're gonna type in TV app repo, and there it is right there. So we're gonna click this and click install. Now I was having issues with this earlier. We'll see how it's working now. If it doesn't work, we always got a solution though. So we're gonna go back, and while we're here, when we see this, we're gonna go ahead and download Kodi. Click install. We're gonna accept it. And if my system might be running a little slow, or my internet, I am running off my Wi-Fi. It's not the best in this room. I'm just trying to get this done. So we're gonna go back out, and we go back up here, and let's see what else we'll get. Since we got Kodi, let's get SPMC. I'm gonna click that and click install. Click accept. So I'm really just gonna install a bunch of different apps that's useful to get you started. And I think what I'm gonna do is to try to do videos on most of these apps individually. So we're gonna go back out, and let's get some apps for IPTV. Now, if you pay for a live sub, these apps will come in handy for you. It all depends on, what did I do? It all depends on what type of service you get and what they provide. But a lot of them do provide you with M3Us and stuff like that. And so IPTV, this is a nice simple one, in my opinion. I use it. So we're gonna click install. We're gonna go back. We're gonna get this one. Is pretty good. It has a free version. I went ahead and bought the paid version. It was like 99¢. I'm not gonna put it on here because I still got some little things I'm gonna tweak before I do a video. But anyway, we're gonna do Perfect Player. We're gonna install that. This is a great app. It has a nice guide for you. I'll go back out. Okay, so that's the free version of that. And okay, so we got Prog TV. This is my #1 right here at Prog TV. I love it. Still need to do a video on this one, in-depth video. Show you some little shortcuts and stuff on it. We're gonna go back out. STB Emulator is a nice app. I don't use it so much because I don't. That depends on what type of service your IPTV is giving you. Okay, and then here we're gonna go here to TV IRL. You want to click that. Now this is a great app. It has its hiccup. The biggest issue I think with it is it doesn't automatically update your guide for you. So you would have to go in there every couple of days and get it and update it. So we're gonna go back out. That's enough IPTVs. So we're gonna go back up here and we're gonna get VLC. Gonna click that, click install, and we're gonna get the MX player. Click back, and then there's MX, and click install. Now I don't know the difference between the paid and the free, but you do just fine with the free version. I don't know if it's worth the $6 they're asking on that. Oh, okay. So we get one more thing here, and we're gonna get X-plore, and this is the file browser that I use. So we're gonna click install. Now, if you ever use this and you don't like it or whatnot, you can always download the EX Explorer. It's a few other file managers that you could get. So we're gonna go back out and go back to the home screen. So as you can see, like right now, you got the TV app repo. Only thing I guess you don't see. Oh, I know. I'm missing one thing. Let's go back in here. We need a app drawer. So we're gonna type in app drawer, and the one that I'm using now is this WBS. I'm gonna click it, and then we're gonna click install. And I'll show you the reason I really like this one. So we're gonna go back home. Just hit home. And like I said, we don't have Chrome. We installed it, but we don't see it, right? So we go over here to this WBS. You click into it, and there's Chrome right there, right? And plus, it's showing you all the other apps that you have installed right now. But what I like about this one is the fact that you can hold down your A button like you're selecting it. Just hold it down, and like say you don't want that app anymore, you can just uninstall it, or you could clear your data or whatever you're trying to do. You can do it rather quickly than trying to go to settings and get to this same spot. So this is pretty cool about this app. That's what I like about it. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and get some more app stores. So we're gonna go into Chrome. We're gonna accept, hit continue, more. Okay, I got it. So here we're gonna go over here to, and we're gonna type in aptoide, APK there. I wonder why that's flipped. Oh, it might be because of the screen. I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, so we're gonna click this first link here. And we say we got it. You got cookies. What is that about? I wonder it has the Chrome updated since I've messed with it. Must have or something. Anyway, we're gonna hit install here, and it's asking Chrome to hit continue, and then it's asking you to allow Chrome access. Hit allow. Now here this is the app itself, so we're gonna click OK. And I don't know if it downloads, because usually it shows up like right there. So let me hit home, and we're gonna go to X-plore and see if it downloaded. And we're gonna allow it. We go over here on the right side, and click internal shared storage and go down to download. So I guess it's still downloaded because it's unconfirmed. Didn't take it that long. It ain't that big of a file. Anyway, so we're going to go back to our app drawer, go back into Chrome. I don't know what's up with that. Click here. I already got that done. We enabled. Okay, let's go back. There go the. Let's click here. And we'll get APK per. And we'll go down here to the APK. Did it not work? Okay, let's try it again. APK per. We're gonna click that. It's not letting me click. What's up with that? Pause, download, pause. Okay, I don't know how it got paused, but we're gonna go back to home and try to go back to APK. Sure. Is they tripping today? Let me hit enter. Okay, maybe I'm tripping. So we're gonna go here to this APK per download, click it. It's not okay, so it automatically started. It's right there. We're gonna click OK. Okay, you see open. So if you see this open, you can click that. I was too late. Okay, so we're gonna get one more app store right quick. We're gonna get AC Market. We'll go to that first app that's here, first link. Move down a little and download AC Market. And we'll click OK. Now you could just install it from here. You click this open when it shows up. Oh, y'all probably didn't see that, but it's an open that shows up on your bottom right hand corner. And we're going to click next and install. And we hit done. We're going to go back to home and we'll go down to X-plore. Click into it, and as you can see over here, this is where it's in your download folders on your internal. So we install AC Market, and we can click the APK per. We're gonna click install. Click done. Go to the aptoide, and we click it and click install. Now I like this Explorer because this manager, because you can like say if you want to save these files. Well, I just do it in another video because it's gonna be too long if I try to explain everything. So we're just gonna hit done, and I'm gonna hit home. So you don't see any of those on the home screen. So let's go to TV app repo to see if it's gonna work. We're gonna allow it, and we'll go over and click on Chrome, and we'll go and create shortcuts. It take 20 seconds. Now I was having an issue the other day with it too. And what I did was I uninstalled, restarted the shield, and then I installed this again and it worked. Now see, it looked like it's working right now. Hit download complete, and we're gonna click install and click done. So while we're in here, we'll do aptoide and click create. These will be the only two I try right now, but you get the idea. I got another idea about doing a video on this app too. Show you how you can change your banner so it'll be more to your liking. So we'll click here and click install and click done. So if I go back to home, those two should be on my home screen somewhere. Okay, so you got Chrome and aptoide. So we're gonna go, and I'll show you the other apps are in the drawer. So we'll go into this WBS. So you got the AC Market and the APK Pure are here. We'll go back and we'll go to aptoide. We're gonna click in that and we're gonna download some streaming apps. So we're gonna just go over and click skip. So I set up a store on aptoide with the apps that I have, and I will be updating this. So what you're gonna do is go in here. You're gonna go over here to stores, and then you're gonna click follow store, and you're gonna type in the real Y and click follow, and then we'll click here on the store itself. And as you can see, I only have like 14 apps in here right now, but like I said, this is just a starter video, so it'll get you moving in the right direction. So all you have to do is, like, we'll get terrarium, we'll click it, and we'll click install. And this is asking for basically access to your chill. We're gonna click OK and then allow. Then it should start downloading. I'm gonna try my best to keep the apps up to date. So, and we're gonna click install there. And we'll click done, and we'll go back. So we'll go back into the store. Let's get a Bobby movie. Now, even though it says it's unknown, I have tested these apps and they're good. Like I said, I downloaded them myself and tested them. So we're gonna click install, and it's telling you to be careful about what you download, but I wouldn't do you wrong. So we're gonna hit proceed. One step away from sharing this app. I don't want to do that. So we're gonna it come up, and then we're gonna click install. I don't think I can do that. I'm thinking it's still installing, so because I clicked off of it, but we're gonna go back, but it's not letting me. Okay, we'll hit the arrow here. There we go. We're gonna get free flicks. Free flick. Click install here. Install. And we'll click done. We'll go back out to the store, and let's get mega box. I'm not gonna install all of these Click install because my video is looks a little long, and we're gonna click done. Well, I'm not gonna install all of the streaming. So we go, you're gonna need set orientation, especially for APK prayer. So you have some that be like in phone small. Anyway, we're gonna click this to install it. This right here will fix it. So we're gonna click install. Hit done. It's that simple. Now you could, like, we already got rid of the keyboard, but like if you didn't want to disable them the way I did, you could just use this app here. Like I said, I already have a video on it. And we'll download these two for the live TV. Let's get Mobdro. Going pretty fast, so maybe I can do the other ones. And click install. And we'll click done. Go back and we'll get live net. Let's say newer version available. What's the newer version? Ain't no new version. I just looked this up yesterday. Won't let me out. What I'm gonna do is double click, and this is the task. What is it? Task manager or whatever you want to say. You can go and clear out all the apps that you have open. So what I'm gonna do is go back into aptoide. And we go to store. And we'll go back to my store. And we'll get live net this time. And we'll click install and proceed. Click install here. Click done. And we'll go back. And this file browser is dope. You know, Brave. It has a built-in ad blocker. So we'll click that and get it. Because I use it more than I use Chrome now. I got a couple of videos I want to do on launchers that you can do. I'll click install here. And we'll click done. Go back out. What else? This News On app is pretty good. It's good for me. And we'll click install and proceed. Like, I like to look at the news from back home, and this will give me what I need. Now, it might not be useful for everybody. Click install. That's the best way to get local news, is to get you an HD antenna. That would probably be your best bet. So we're gonna click done here. Go back. Blockade. This is a good ad blocker. So click install and proceed. Install. click done. Go back. I think I got those two. Hit this one. Okay, get the newest movies. Click it. Hey, and if you didn't made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. If you're using the store, go ahead and try to rate them apps. Click done. So like you could click to be the first one to rate it. You can go down and actually, rate this app. Or click it, it works well, or it's fake or whatever, which it shouldn't be fake. But it says you have to be logged in to do all that. Now some people don't do all that, so I think I got everything. I didn't get HD. So click it. Click install. Now you might not even want all these apps on your home screen, so just put the ones that you really want on there. And we'll click done, and I'm gonna hit home. I'm gonna go down. So see, you got Mobjo came up, the Free Flicks, the Live Net TV, and the newest movie. Now all the rest of them just show up under here. Now, like I said, you could go to TV app repo, which is not showing here, but you could go to it and make screen what is that, shortcuts for them to be on the home screen. So this is it. You should be set. You can go in here and watch. You got, if you don't have live sub, you could do Mobjo or the Live Net. Free Flicks even have live channels in it too. So, you can go watch movies live and whatnot. So like, if y'all like this video, go ahead and hit them thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.